Hi, I'm Joey Sharp, Senior Brand Product Manager for Sea Ray Boats. Welcome to the SLX 260 Outboard. So today I want to talk a little bit about the technology that's on this boat, starting with the dual 9-inch Simrad displays. They come equipped with the Mercury Vessel View Link, which actually gives you all of your engine data on the Simrad display. Then we have C-Zone digital switching. To make digital switching easier for you, we went ahead and we loaded presets. This allows you to control your lights and other functions of the boat like the power tower. All your critical functions are located here on the dash. We also have automatic trim tabs for you. We call that our dynamic running surface. Then we have the Fusion audio system. So this is a 770 head unit. So there's 3 ways to connect. You can connect through Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, or you can hardwire in the side pocket with a USB cable. This head unit also includes digital signal processing, often referred to as DSP. So what that does, it actually tunes the music to your listening and puts it through the amp so that you can hear the music the way that the artist intended you to hear it. The other nice new feature that we have for this boat is inductive charging. So if I take my phone and I set it in the center of the dash, it starts charging my phone. The other nice thing that the designers thought about when they were developing this dash was making sure that you could store your devices as you're underway. So there's a couple of different pockets here. You have one on each side, and then you have a nice place that you can put an iPad or you can lay your phone sideways, and then obviously you have your cup holders up here as well. Some of the other great features that we have on this boat is, one is Vessel View Mobile. So what that does is that allows you to use your cell phone to connect to your engine data. So you get the same information that you would get from your engine page here. Another great feature is the Sea Ray Plus mobile app. So what that does is it allows you to register your boat, you tie it on your phone, you can track your trips, and you can share those with your friends. It also gives you the ability to create a checklist. Another great feature on this boat is the First Mate. It's an app that's also tied to a wearable. This is a new take on a lanyard. So basically what happens is this app tells me that I'm connected to this fob. I can wear this fob. Should I fall overboard, it's going to kill the engines for me, and it's automatically going to tell whoever's on the boat exactly where I am. This is a great new feature. You can actually tie this with 7 passenger fobs, and you can even take one and put it on the dog if you want to. So it's a really great feature for this new boat. So that's a review of all the new technology available in this brand new SLX 260 Outboard. If you have more questions, you can visit us at our website, searay.com.